Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are creating a new project of Unity and we can name this project. So let's name this project as a robot battle, because our main character will be the robot. So we are naming this project as a robot battle, and then we will import some assets. So I have choose this asset for the main character of our game, and Cyber Soldier, which you can see is a no animation on this, and mechanism ready. So we can use the Mixamo animations and a rigged character. So we will use this character, and also we'll use a military environment, which is a very simple environment, and it is a military base environment, which is low poly as well, so it will not get too much memory of our computer. So let's wait for some seconds. Okay, so now we have the project open, and we can go to downloads and we can drag drop this military based asset. So it is very simple to import any asset to Unity, so you can directly drag drop that, and you can see that now we have the import option, and we can just click on import. And definitely from the Unity asset store, it is also very easy to install the asset. So you can go to asset store, and here you can see we have the Unity asset store and Cyber Soldier I have selected for this project, and then we can click on add to my assets. Definitely you should be logged in terms so that you can import the assets. So Unity has made the changes. Accept. We should accept everything from Unity without reading, no problem. And now you can see that I'm logged in, and now we can import this asset and add to my asset, accept, and open in Unity, open Unity editor. Now you can see that package manager is opened. Sometime package manager didn't open in this style, so you can go simply to package manager by going to Windows and then package manager, and then you will be on the same tab. But here you can see that sometimes it happens that we lost our that screen. So in that case you can click again on the Open Unity editor, or you can search the package here. Okay, you can search Cyber Soldier and it will come. So now we can just click on download, and it will be downloaded to our project, and then we can import it. Import. So let's see how it will look like. So if we go to my military base assets, scenes, you can see we have a asset overview scene, and we also have a demo scene. Demo scene is quite good, and in this scene we have a plane or train, I think. Yeah, this is a train, and you can see we have a train without the textures, and then we have the military base. Although in some areas like this you can see we don't have any collider, so we need some colliders for these walls, etc. But anyhow, that looks good. Now we'll go back to the my assets Cyber Soldier, and here is our Cyber Soldier, and you can see that the rig is humanoid, so it is a humanoid character. And if we drag drop it in our scene, and if we press F, You can see that this cyber soldier is here. One important thing is that the size of this cyber soldier matters. So we will create a capsule collider here, and you can see that the cyber soldier is approximately equal to the height of capsule collider, which is good actually. Okay, and that's what we need. So yeah, that's great. And now if we see, you can see an animator controller over here, and avatar is cyber soldier avatar, and also we have this cyber soldier. And if we go to the cyber soldier, here we have the shader, and if we change this color, you can see that we can actually change the robot color as well later on. So for now we will just make it with the default color, and here you can see that we have a cyber soldier with an animator. So I think that we have imported the assets, and in next video we will move further and we will add the player movements.